Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rosa, and today I am super excited to share with you 3 of my all-time favorite holiday smoothies. And you might be thinking, why is she making smoothies during the winter season? Well, living out here in Mexico is nothing like when I lived out in Niagara Falls. We're not out here shoveling snow or putting on jackets and beanies and boots just to get to the grocery store or work. Just look at our weather. Out here is so hot and humid. Therefore, I have to adjust to get the same holiday feeling that simply the tropics don't provide. Now, first up, we got Frosty's Peppermint Mocha. When I was a kid, peppermint was everything to me during the holidays. I absolutely loved it. So first you're gonna need a half a cup of strong coffee, and make sure that coffee is cooled off. 1 cup of plant-based milk. So I like to use my cashew milk because it makes the smoothie nice and creamy and rich. 1 large frozen banana. These ones are kind of small, so we're gonna do about 1.5. A tablespoon of cacao or cocoa powder. 1 tablespoon of almond butter. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract. So this smoothie is a thinner smoothie, as you can see, so you can choose to pour it over a glass of ice, or you can add ice to the blender like I am to get more of a slushy type smoothie. What I enjoy most about the holidays is when my mom and I used to hang candy canes on the Christmas tree, and when we were done, she'd always have one set aside for me to enjoy. It's nice and cold and frothy. Delicious. It makes me so happy. I love peppermint. This smoothie gives you all those peppermint holiday vibes, and thanks to the cacao, it's packed with antioxidants that can boost your mood. I can't think of a better holiday pick-me-up. Next up, we have our pumpkin spice smoothie. For the pumpkin chai smoothie, you'll need a half a cup of pumpkin puree, 1 large banana, 1 cup of unsweetened plant-based milk, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. This smoothie is everything cozy in a glass. Just think, pumpkin puree, chai spices, and all that goodness. Plus, pumpkin is loaded with beta carotene, which is great for your skin and eyes, so you're actually getting a glow up from the inside out. If you like pumpkin, you'll definitely love this one. It's nice and creamy, and you have all those spices bringing out that pumpkin flavor. It's almost like having a slice of pumpkin pie in a glass, so I know you guys are gonna love this one. Delicious. And last but not least, let's make our delicious gingerbread bliss smoothie. But before we make the smoothie, let's make some cute little gingerbread cookies to go on top. Now let me tell you, I love all things ginger. I love gingerbread, ginger beer, ginger chews, and especially gingerbread cookies. But unfortunately, with most commercial cookies out there, they seem to have lost their powerful ginger bite. So if you are a fan like me of ginger, then you'll really love this recipe. You can find this recipe and more in my new vegan holiday cookbook. I'll leave the link below. Our first batch of cookies are all done, so we're gonna let those cool, and now let's make our gingerbread smoothie. You'll need 1 cup of almond milk or plant-based milk of choice, 2 large frozen bananas, a tablespoon of almond butter, a tablespoon of molasses, a tablespoon of chia seeds, half a teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and a half a teaspoon of vanilla. So there you have it, 3 delicious holiday smoothies. Which one do you think you're gonna try? Comment below and let me know. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you wanna see more delicious plant-based food. With that being said, I wanna wish you and your family happy holidays, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.